Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add Facebook admin on your page. So just follow my steps and let's begin the tutorial. So in the tutorial I would like to go and open my browser here, which is Google Chrome, and then I go to Facebook and I click on this button over here to my facebook.com, and from here just make sure to log into your page. So we click over here to switch to your page of the Facebook. So whenever you switch to your page, just click on your page over here, and here click on this option which is Mira Business Suite. And now go ahead and choose the settings option. So as you can see here, we have people, partners, and system users. So in the people section, we have here, that's me with the full control for everything. So just click on invite people, and from here you can write the email address and give advanced options such as temporary access and so on. And also you can remove from business portfolio, and these are all the settings that you can do with new people of the email address. At the end, that was all today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.